Let me tell you the use of fill tool. It is used to fill color in an object. The magic tool is already selected. Select fill tool and choose blue color from the colors palette. Now bring the magic wand over the river and click on it. The blue color will be filled in the river. Select brown color and click on the mountains to fill brown color in them. Likewise, fill yellow color in the sun and red color in the roof of the hut. Alright students, let us understand the use of flower tool. It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Click the flower tool, which is a sub-tool of the magic tool. Select red color from the colors palette. Bring the magic wand over the grass. Keep clicking on the grass area to add flowers on it. Likewise, select different colors to add colorful flowers on the grass. Students, now let us do some recalling. Which mascot in TuxPaint helps you in knowing more about TuxPaint tools? We shall discuss about stamp tool. It is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamps. Additional stamps can be downloaded from the following website: www.tuxpaint.org/download/windows. Further, select the link TuxPaint #stamp #2009.06.28 #win32 #installer.exe. On installing the stamps file, we can see various categories of stamps in the sub toolbox. Click the stamp tool. Choose any one stamp from the sub toolbox. For more stamps, click the right or left arrow. Select the cock stamp. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stamp using the slope bar just above the colors palette in the sub toolbox. Now click on the canvas and the stamp will be pasted. Likewise, select the hut stamp and paste on the canvas. We can also use the mirror image of the selected stamp by choosing the mirror option below the right and left arrow keys in the sub toolbox. Click the mirror button. Now paste the selected stamp besides the previous stamp. Students, let us talk about the patterns of brush shapes. TuxPaint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the Paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shapes from the sub toolbox. Let us see how many beautiful patterns we can make. Select the Paint tool. Now you will see the brushes sub toolbox on the right hand side. Select the filled circle shape and choose brown color from the palette. Draw the stem of a tree. Scroll down and select the vine shape. Select green color from the colors palette. Move the pointer to the drawing area and draw the leaves by clicking on the stem. You will see a beautiful tree as shown in the figure. Similarly, select other brush shapes and see how many different patterns you can draw. Okay, let me now tell you about Lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. It works quite similar to the Paint tool. The Lines tool has the same brush shapes in the sub toolbox as in the Paint tool. The only difference between Paint tool and Lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. While using Paint tool, you can see the image which you are drawing at that moment. On the other hand, while using Lines tool, you will see only a straight line from the starting point to the ending point. The pattern appears only after you complete the line and release the left mouse button. Now let us draw a pattern using the Lines tool. Select the Lines tool and choose any pattern from the sub-tool box. Draw a straight line as shown in the figure. When you release the left mouse button, you will get a straight pattern in place of that line. If you draw an inclined line, you will find an inclined pattern. Students, note that a Line tool has the same brush shapes in the sub-tool box as in the Paint tool. Alright children, let me tell you how to save a file. TuxPaint provides an easy method to save work using the Save tool. Click the Save tool. There is no need to mention the file name. TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. The naughty penguin confirms that you have successfully saved your file. Let us understand the process of opening a saved file. To open an already saved file, click on Open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in TuxPaint till date. Click the image that you want to open. Now click on Open button. Okay students, note important information that you can view all the saved files in the form of a slideshow by clicking on Slides button. Click on Play button to view the slideshow. The slide view shows every image in the form of a big slide. At the bottom right side of the screen, you will find the Back button. Click on it to go back to the previous window. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. TuxPaint is a wonderful drawing program for young children. TuxPaint has a large variety of tools that help children to create beautiful designs. The Paint tool is used to create freehand drawings as well as to draw various ready-made patterns. Each tool in TuxPaint has many options in sub-tool box. Magic tool is used to give amazing effects to a picture. Fill tool is used to fill color in an object. The Stamp tool is used to add a ready-made stamp in your drawing. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. Save tool is used to save the drawing. TuxPaint saves a file as a thumbnail rather than a file name.